Every stain remover on your grocery shelf is doing the same trick. And most of the time, it's the wrong trick. You've spent hundreds of dollars over the years on sprays that promise a miracle. But here's the truth nobody tells you. There is no single stain remover. There are only 4 types of chemistry. And once you know which one you're fighting, you can beat almost any stain with things already sitting under your sink. Today, I'm handing you the exact arsenal. 5 weapons. 17 real stains. No more guessing. Weapon 1. The oxidizers. Your first secret weapon. Oxidizers don't cover up a stain. They rip apart the molecules that give it color. Hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and sunlight all do this. They release oxygen, and that oxygen breaks the chemical bonds that hold the stain's pigment together. 1. Blood stains. Myth: hot water. Hot water cooks the protein in blood and glues it into the fabric forever. Instead, use cold water first, then dab 3% hydrogen peroxide directly onto the spot. It'll fizz. That's oxygen attacking the iron in the blood. Rinse cold. 2. Coffee and tea stains. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide into a paste. Tannins, the same compound that stains your teeth, are large colored molecules. Oxidizers break them into smaller colorless pieces. Let it sit 10 minutes, then rinse. 3. Underarm sweat stains. The yellow isn't sweat, it's aluminum from your deodorant reacting with sweat proteins. Soak the area in a mix of hydrogen peroxide and a spoon of dish soap for 30 minutes before washing. 4. Red wine. Skip the salt myth, salt just spreads the pigment. Pour hydrogen peroxide straight onto the stain. Watch it turn white as it oxidizes, then blot. Weapon 2. Dish soap and enzymes, your second chemical weapon. Enzymes are tiny biological scissors. They cut protein and starch molecules into pieces small enough to just float away in water. This is why your dish soap smells biological. It's engineered to eat food residue. 5. Grass stains. Grass stains are chlorophyll, a stubborn plant pigment. Rub straight dish soap into the fibers and let it sit 15 minutes before washing. The surfactants in dish soap surround the pigment molecules and lift them out. 6. Baby formula and milk stains. Just the facts. These stains are made of pure protein molecules, complex and stubborn structures. Never use hot water. It sets the protein like an egg on a frying pan. Soak in cold water with a scoop of enzyme-based laundry booster instead. 7. Pet accidents on carpet. Uric acid crystals are the real problem. They're what makes old pet stains glow under UV light and smell forever. Regular cleaners don't touch them. You need an enzyme cleaner that digests the crystals themselves, not just masks the smell. Weapon 3. The solvents, your third secret weapon. Solvents work on stains that water can't touch: oil, wax, and ink. Water is polar. Oil is not. They repel each other. A solvent bridges that gap and dissolves the oil directly. 8. Ballpoint ink, a common office nightmare. Dab rubbing alcohol behind the stain with a cotton pad underneath to catch it. The alcohol dissolves the dye instantly. You'll watch it pull right through the fabric. 9. Lipstick, the classic collar stain. Myth: hairspray. Old hairspray had high alcohol content, today's doesn't. It just makes a sticky mess. Use rubbing alcohol directly, then a dab of dish soap to finish the oil base. 10. Crayon on walls, a childhood masterpiece. WD-40 dissolves the wax binder in crayon without touching paint. Spray, wait 2 minutes, wipe clean, a fresh wall. 11. Cooking grease on clothes, the kitchen casualty. Rub straight dish soap into the grease before washing, never after. Dish soap was built to break restaurant grease off dishes. It does the same job on fabric. Weapon 4. The physical absorbers, simple physics at work. These weapons don't dissolve anything. They stay solid to pull liquid up. They just pull liquid up and out through capillary action before it has a chance to bond with the fibers. 12. Fresh grease spills, a race against time. Cover immediately with cornstarch or baking soda, let it sit 20 minutes. The powder draws the oil up out of the fabric like a sponge before it can set. 13. Candle wax on carpet, a colorful mess. Never scrape while it's soft, you'll grind it deeper into the pile. Freeze it with an ice cube until brittle, then it snaps off clean. 14. Fresh red wine on carpet, every host's fear. Blot, never rub, with a dry cloth, then bury the spot in table salt. Salt is hygroscopic, it pulls the liquid wine out of the fibers before it stains. Weapon 5. The alkaline lifters, the heavy artillery. Alkaline agents raise the pH of a stain, which loosens acidic bonds and lets scrubbing finish the job. This is your heavy artillery category for stains that have already set. 15. Rust stains on porcelain, a stubborn mineral bond. Bleach makes rust worse, it has no effect on iron oxide. Instead, make a paste of cream of tartar and lemon juice. The mild acid dissolves the iron, the abrasive lifts it away. 16. Scorch marks on fabric, a heat-based problem. Dampen the area, sprinkle with baking soda, and gently brush with an old toothbrush. The alkaline paste lifts the caramelized sugars in scorched fibers. 17. Yellowed white fabric, time to restore the glow. Soak overnight in warm water with a scoop of oxygen-based powder, not chlorine bleach. Chlorine bleach breaks down cellulose over time, weakening the fabric itself. That completes your arsenal. The deadly mistakes. What you should never do. Mistake 1. Mixing bleach and ammonia-based cleaners. This creates chloramine gas, a genuine health hazard. Never combine them, even just this once. Mistake 2. Ironing over a wax stain with no barrier. Always place a paper towel over the wax first. The iron melts it and the paper towel absorbs it, instead of pushing it deeper into the fibers. Mistake 3. Assuming natural means safe to mix. Vinegar plus baking soda doesn't clean better. They cancel each other out into salt water. Use them separately, never together. That's the full arsenal. 5 weapons, 17 stains, a complete guide. $0 spent on store-bought sprays that only ever did one of these jobs at a time. Save this video, you'll need it again.